Okay, guys, so type Udemy. This is the official website of the Udemy, udemy.com. Just click on the main results. So this is the official website. So you have to create the account before purchasing the course. I have already created the account. So that's why I'm directly searching the course. I'm searching the React Native course in this examples. So as you can see, this is the React Native course, 4.7 review and 50,000 students enrolled in this particular course. I think this is the best course for this particular examples. Just click on this one. As you can see, this is the course. You can find the course description and also the course content. A lot of things available here. Just make sure this is the course you are going to buy. Fine. Just click on the add to cart. As you can see, you have the add to cart. Okay. So now go to the cart sections. And here, as you can see, this is the total amount. So for the coupons, I'm using this particular extension to give me the cashbacks or some kind of coupons. So as you can see, fine. Just click on the button, this one, apply the coupons. So the extensions automatically find the coupons out of the box for you. If it's available, then the system automatically apply the coupon out of the box for you. So wait for a few seconds until the extensions try all the coupons. If the coupon is not available, then the system give you the cashback. So as you can see, you have got the best price we found. Continue. So as you can see now, 4.5 to 15% cashbacks they are giving to you. Okay, so just click on the button for the checkout. So it's totally depend upon you. Either you are using the PayPal or the debit credit card. Since I am using the PayPal, so I have selected the PayPal. I have already logged in with my PayPal account. So that's why it's showing me the PayPal balance. So just click on the complete purchase and wait a few seconds, and boom, you have successfully purchased the course from the Udemy by using the PayPal. Okay, so you can also find the emails. Just refresh the page. It takes a few seconds or at least 1 minute to arrive the email at your inbox. So just let me refresh. Also, you can also check the spam folder or the junk folder. I have received the email from the PayPal and also from the Udemy. As you can see, this is the course, and where you can find the course. Just go to the course and click on the button and learn anything. So here, as you can see, this is the course, and the course is fully available for you.